Don't shout.
Nah, kidnap is kidnap you.
Yes.
Nah, move.
Move.
What are they mad? Stand here.
Stand here.
They mad. They follow you.
No
Play for you.
shout.
Now me go buy you. They crazy. This one where you find like this, I know say your boyfriend go get money.
Ah, yeah, sure now.
Hey, wait, he has money. Who's going?
Let's
Let's
the talk.
shit, eh? Oh, yeah.
Now, why one they give us like, yeah.
Who say they find money, we'll go use chop this night and tomorrow morning.
Hey,
Uh-huh.
hey, you guys should calm down. We'll negotiate.
How much your boyfriend get for account?
You have like up to 5 million.
5 million.
Hey,
About 5 million, not too much.
No, just collect like 500k.
500k for what? 5 million. I think that's
too
5
much now.
200.
200,
No
yeah,
more.
Wait, you calm down,
Why
Jack.
go
they
take my
do this
account?
play now?
Wait, you want to collect 200k? My own share, come.
That's getting done.
I'm not due. I'm gonna collect 400 last.
How for you? You know,
You save
you
gone.
say
Get out
say you
for
like when you find this now say you do.
Wait till now conclude.
Oh yeah, Mo call your boyfriend.
How much you now talk last? Now 400. I'm
Don't
collecting.
get.
Don't hear you,
Chris. Olokam. Give me your boyfriend number. Chris.
Yeah, put that for last speaker. Put that for last speaker.
Calm down, Jare.
Give me.
Mona, calm down now. Wait till they do. No say it's a business for you. Yeah, call him.
You sure say na him?
No be him.
You sure say I know this?
Yeah, now.
It's not even fake. Come on, that for yourself.
Now for you want to call it blame me. Now for you, that's how you say it. That's what your boyfriend said.
Is it concern you?
Hello?
Hello.
Yes, who is this? And why you?
Boss, forget that one, Jao. Your girlfriend like this now and don't kidnap am.
I will shoot you. Shout.
You say waiting.
Give her the phone. Let me speak to her.
Oh yeah, nah. We am talk. Stay. They mad.
So I give them 1 minute. I give you now 1 minute.
Hello, baby.
Who go clear your babe?
Babe, what's all this now?
I don't know. I wanted to go and get something outside and they kidnapped me. I don't even know where I am right now.
Wait. Put down. Shebi, you don't like going out now. If I say she come to my place, you don't like coming.
I went
so
to
why
buy...
did they see you?
No, babe, calm down. I went to buy something down the street and I don't know.
Okay. You know what? Just relax. Give the phone back to him.
Are you sure you're gonna save me?
I said give the phone back to him.
Okay.
No, you can be prosecuted for that.
Hello.
Boss, calm down. No vex. Say I too rush like that. I beg.
Oh yeah, waiting the stop. Now you go take drugs.
Now wetin dey be the cocoa now.
Mo we talk. Chillax now.
No, let tell me I relax. My blood dey hot. I go shoot. I go waste time o.
No vex, boss.
Oh yeah,
so
bro, talk.
How much be your money?
400. There is God, oh. 400k.
Boss now.
400k.
400k. I no understand. 400k. Boss, ma come yarn you something. You see that girl? Na small girl dey do am. You no look am now. She be small girl. She be baby. See as she dey cry. You no go vex. Abeg. I wan clear you something like this. Eh? Money no dey my hand o, but I fit give you like 2.5. I don't lie. You know as also dey do.
I go guys.
Who go kill your babe?
This babe.
I go press your babe for your shey dey mad. Dey mad.
Put down now. She be I might declare. Okay, you know wetin we go do like this. Shey you dey hear me?
I dey hear you talk.
Okay. Shey na cash or transfer?
Bro, na 400k. Mo fẹ́ talk.
If you no get am, I go waste this
Go
girl.
waste your babe o.
Relax, no vex. Oh yeah. If I give you the 2.5, any day wey you see her outside again, carry am, no return am back.
Who go waste your babe, bro? Who go waste am o? Can shoot this babe now.
Babe, what are you saying now?
Shoot this babe. Show dey here. Who go waste your
I go
babe?
waste am o.
Get out.
You say hello?
I don't know.
Guys,
That's in our bad market.